Syntec was established in 1995 and specializes in PC-based CNC controllers. We have long contributed to the machine tool industry with 100% owned controller technologies, cultivated to be innovative in both hardware and software. Syntec's business covers a wide variety of controller products in the field of lathe, milling, and dedicated machines. In addition to our well-known reputation in machine tool controllers, we have extended our product line to high-end servo solutions, robots, and automation products to meet the demands in the automation industry. Conforming to the age of Industry 4.0, Leantec, Syntec's subsidiary, focuses on responding to the challenges in high-mix, low-volume production. Its core competencies are the robotic arm and cloud, while also providing multifunctional intelligent products and application services. Syntec provides the machine tool industry with controllers suitable for lathe, milling, grinding machines, and 5-axis machines. Let me introduce them to you one by one. First is the lathe. Our lathe offers better performance due to the disc-type spindle motor with high servo response and low vibration. In terms of management, there are functions such as tool life management, tool loading rate monitoring, and automatic tool measurement. We also have Syntec servo tuning, friction compensation to integrate with the hardware. Then, there is the milling machine. With C-Series liquid cooling spindle motor, our milling machine gives less thermal displacement and vibration. With our mill software solution, tap retract function, and gravity axis pull-up function, we can offer better accuracy. Lastly, we also have controllers for grinder machines and 5-axis machining centers. In response to the trend of automation, Leantec has launched the CNC-Robot integration solution suitable for the metal processing industry. It perfectly combines machine tools and robots to greatly improve the ease of installation and operation. In the next 5 to 10 years, robot arms will become standard accessories for all machine tools, and one machine with one robot will be the industry benchmark. Therefore, Leantec works with the machine tool makers to take automatic pick-and-place application into consideration from the design phase. The robot mounting hole and the material tray are reserved so that factory owners can purchase robots according to different demands and can install and remove robots by themselves to meet the needs of flexible changeover. Leantec robots have lightweight design that can be easily installed by one person and are highly integratable with CNCs. We provide both CNC total package and robot solution, which makes pick and place as easy as plug and play. For machine tools that do not have a robot mounting hole, we provide mobile robot solution. The trolley can be pushed to the side of the machine and at any time to perform flexible automatic pick and place. The robot controller can also provide quick connection for different brands of machine tools, which can be used in connecting with CNC controllers. On top of that, with this visual tray system, there's no need to additionally teach points to pick and place. This solution realizes quick installation, quick connection, and quick positioning in production scenario. The primary turning point to enter smart manufacturing is to connect machines through the internet and to take the first step of digital transformation by digitalizing key production information. Leantec's Factory connects machines through the internet and converts key information such as machine status and processing progress into various visual customized dashboards in real time to visualize the benefits of machine networking. In addition to clear production status of factory, users can further identify abnormal production and increase production capacity. Focusing on the metal process industry, Syntec and Leantec work together to provide local and timely services, an open electronic control platform, and high-quality complete electronic control solutions. It's a one-stop shop to build smart factories. We aim to provide customers with complete smart factory solutions and implement our vision goal to become the trusted intelligent service. Thank you for your time. If you want to know more about Syntec, please contact us. Thank you.